Hi, we invite you to join 3,500 other women who are planning their exodus, who are planning their move abroad from the United States. My name is Stephanie Perry from Exodus Summit. I am the creator of House Sitter School.
Hi, I'm Roshida Dowe from Exodus Summit, and Sheeta's on the Loose. Exodus Summit showed us that more of you want to leave America and move abroad permanently.
But moving abroad comes with some special problems. Getting residency in another country is not always a simple or straightforward process. There are times when you'll need someone to walk you through it.
So we are here to help you. Introducing Exodus Expat Workshops. They are here to give you all the information you need to go from, I'm thinking of living abroad, to I have my visa in my hand, I've packed my bag, my passport is burning a hole in my pocket, and I am ready to go.
If right now you know that you want to move abroad, but you don't have information sources that you can trust, if you have an idea that you need residency in another country, but you don't know what kind of visa to apply for or how to apply for a visa, if you don't have anybody to consult with questions, these workshops are for you. You'll walk away with information from trusted resources. You will get information on specifically which type of residency visa is for you. And you'll also come away with contact information for someone that you can follow up with. We're also doing workshops on teaching abroad, and we'll give you information on which teacher certification is best for you and whether or not teaching abroad or teaching online is a better fit.
We are showcasing 5 countries in this workshop, one workshop per country, so that you can get all the information you need to move to that country. And our 5 countries are France, Costa Rica, Cayman Islands, Portugal, and Mexico. So come and see us, grab one of these workshops, it'll be ready for you. And like Stephanie said, along with the countries, we are also offering the workshops on teaching abroad or teaching online. So if you want to move to Portugal and you plan on teaching online, grab the Portugal workshop, grab the Teach Online workshop, and you will be ready to go before you know it.
All right, the link to register is on the page. Click the link and we'll see you there.